little pitney, you know. The little pit is car, the little pitney for life, he won't like when Jayden, you know. And me, when the day I say, him, me not feel like them used to advantage him and them thing. Them used to do it. Them used to do it, especially the old grassmite where them call him Omar Thompson. Me say the whole of them are go jail. One them are in jail. One they going to jail. And me tell you, say me not stop. Me not stopping. And the boy, me say, Newport, you know the boy where me a talk. On him name begins with a P. Him name begins with a P. Him go, I'm going to give you some clue. He go to jail, and when he come back from jail, he run a gang. When he come back from jail, he run to St. Elizabeth. And him down there, it's Saturday the 27th. Him did there, I walk up and down over New, going to call the place a while. Him over there, go and all a shop buy things from the shop them. You understand? And if you don't want, I give you some more. I name him. His name begins with P and the last letter in her name is a O. So the people from Newport are not supposed to know his name a war. And tell him say, tell that piece of shit. Say me say, if me ever him, me tell him, you know, me warn him. Me warn him. Me say go and buy a box of paracetamol tablet and go and issue it out in a Newport. Because if I hurt say a straw in a ear past somebody head down there hurt them, your picture and your age and your date of birth and your name and everything will be all over the. How are the backside of go on there? Alright, so Newport people don't understand where I come from. And if I lie, me I tell you, if you type it in the comments, say Tiger lie, I tell nothing no go like where I say. Can me see Newport, me see somebody from Newport I get bad in a comment look a while. Me see who I get bad in a comment. So talk to me and tell me if what me I say no make no sense. If what me I say don't make no sense, so say Tiger where I say no make no sense. Okay. Because the fact that you can come up so strong with that, you're sitting there. Alright, so I don't talk to you. I don't talk to you. And me know so now I don't want the motive. I not drop the motive today. Because when I drop the motive, that I got sink the land where we stand up on. Don't worry yourself. I have the motive in my back pocket, put on. I don't not sit down panic because I don't want to crush up. Yeah? Yeah, but so everybody where I say she not come down this and she give ticket and people are call me people are go up on them platform and I call me Judas and Judas and Judas and Judo. Let me tell you something, man. You know I gonna know what Judas call me. I tell us they're going down. They are going down. And yes,
D. I know
Jayden did take his phone to school. Don't call her name Speedy, please. Me beg.
Sorry. Yeah. I know she get to some people. That's why I see some people come and change their mind. Cause she talk to some people and some people stupid enough to make she convince them because she talk nice and this and that and some people convince. But she talk to a few people.
Guys, me beg for alright, I'm telling you something people because hear what now. We have it. Davis!
When I enter the platform, mute your mic when I enter the platform.
Davis. Marlene, I must see dream you the dream. Marlene, I must see dream you the dream. Bernard. I want Newport people to come up in that. I want Newport people to come up here in the car. You don't know the people in Newport now, so I say, no, follow me and chat to them. Bernard. Some of them people are going to want to scream and them accidentally come up in their box, you know. Guys, maybe going to follow the host, because I see 3 people in their life when I follow me right now. I don't know if a long argument, because I don't want me to start fight. I see 3 people in the live when I follow me. Guys, can you please follow the host, please, and thank you. So guys, you don't understand everything when I come out and say to the cars. You don't know say not follow me. I not come out to the following it. I not prove me not come out with you. Because my reputation I'm the on the line. I'm not coming out with no farmer follow around here. No follow me not come out with. Guys, I want to follow me over YouTube too, you know. Follow me over moderator, can you put me YouTube thing in the comment? Guys, I look 50 people over YouTube. Come on, go over there, go burn it down. So I beg you to follow me over YouTube. I'm get 50 people so I can go live over there. And all who hate me, all who like me, you can go and like me. All who hate me, you can go and rate me. I don't care. Them I got prison this year. I done business. I don't care. Yeah. And me I tell you no say from my source, cause you know say me have to ask whole heap of questions before I can come out and put the stone in. You know? And can me ask, okay, if that's how it goes, why so much inconsistency? And the people them must say, yeah man, I true man, give people them like back some fella. You know move shady too. Guys, give people them like back some fella, cause right now I never so not follow people. I don't know how I go on this. But guys, later yeah man, cause I can't bother up, I can't manage how I go on this. Guys, look more. My people know me come like a star up, you know what I mean. So yes guys, obviously I ask you what are the questions that we need to ask. But to be honest with you, I am happy. I find out what happened to Jayden. I not find out the exact ins and outs what happened to Jayden, but I know say other boy the response for Jayden demise. And what shocked me more than all is the father of the child for the umbrella. That I didn't see that coming. But you see, Father God have a way when I work in mysterious ways, you know. Because out of everybody else, why him have to find himself in our box? And a 2 things him say when me start the digging, you know. 2 things him say cause me to start the digging. The part where him say that Andrew never do nothing when Jayden was alive. I have it by record. I him say it, you know me. And me I look into the part and I say, why Jayden go missing and then your child, me never hear nobody else in Newport say that, your child have to start drop off at school and pick up back from school. I am coming back so I say that and I know we assume that him say it. And because of them 2 things there, I say me I go do some digging. And right now,
thing I him say, I will sing him, you know. Sorry, I'll finish.
Go on man, go on talk.
Yeah, the main thing I will say we sing him, you know. We don't find nobody and him say the little boy dead. So but that alone think it, you know, that he know, that alone tell everybody say him know something because there is no body. And if I did England today and you have any contact with this little boy and his family and you come and say little boy dead when nobody find, you get arrested.
But remember yesterday no Tiger, remember me come up on the platform and said there's something. They know why he was letting his the little girl, his kids taking taxi, you know. There's something that they know why he was probably scared. So well then probably they think they're gonna talk, so you know, they never know if they might kidnap their kid too. Remember I said that yesterday, you know.
Was it you in the box with him the day? Cause are you in the box with him the day?
Yeah, yesterday me I tell you say this man. Me say
No, but me I talk when the guy was here.
yes,
Somebody
yes,
in the
me
box
the
and
inna the
rough up
box.
him feather, you know.
Yes, man, me are the same one. Yeah. But yesterday me come back and me say there's something.